Look around you. Everything that we rely on today was built by engineers. Whether it be your car, your phone, or even the shoe you wear on your foot, it was an engineer who meticulously designed, crafted, and created the very items we rely on every day. To undertake the challenge of this craft, you need grit. You need clarity. And you need vision. To be an engineer is to build. It is to create. To be an engineer is to have the vision. So come join us on April 12th at the Zachary Engineering Complex for EnVision Scholars, a STEM-focused engineering conference designed to engage high schoolers in hands-on workshops, interactive competitions, and immersive experiences that showcase the power of engineering. Explore engineering through a grand design challenge, society competitions, an industry panel, and more. So come join us at Texas A&M, express your vision, and proudly say to the world, I am an engineer.